All right, so we got all the main blocking in. I'm going to go up here and kind of give you a view of what we got going on. So the blocking we added right here, and it's sandwiching between the towel of the truss. So you can see how meaty that is. Now the point of this is not necessarily to beef up the truss itself. I mean, this 2x10 truss is extremely strong on its own, but the point of this is actually to be able to now take some ledger screws, some timber screws, and put them through this front fascia into this blocking. So if we were to just put timber screws right into the fascia, right into the tail, you know, that would work, but by adding all this blocking, then putting screws from the fascia into this, into that, then what we'll do is probably even put some more screws into here. It doesn't hurt. I mean, it's probably extremely overkill. Those timber screws can hold a heck of a lot. I mean, probably 6 screws can hold this whole roof up, but we're just going to buy a box of 50 of them, put 2 in every one of these blocks, maybe 1 into here just for good measure, and then we'll be putting our actual ledger board on the front of this. So you could see by the time we do all that and all these boards are sandwiched in here and all that blocking, I mean, it is going to be extremely strong, but we want this to last forever and have 0 issues. So let's go ahead and start putting in the timber screws.